What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today is Google Pixel Fold Day. So we're gonna get this thing unboxed and we'll talk about our first impressions of this folding device. So let's do it. All right, so here we go. Got it out, got the top. Let's just take a moment to appreciate the packaging. Very simplistic. Now, it feels a little heavy. We'll get to all that in just a minute. And we know that this is the device. It's wrapped up really nicely. Okay, it's shorter than I expected. Like, let's get it. Ta-da! There we go. All right, so first impressions of the actual bend or the divot or the crease or whatever you want to call that in the middle. It's not that noticeable, a little bit, but not a game changer. So now, what else is in here? Oh, this piece is a little heavy. So let's see what we do here. All right. I wonder if this is just paper though, because it literally feels heavy, but let's see. Okay, it is stuff in here. All right, maybe. Nope, nothing in here. It just feels heavy for no reason. And it's probably just for your protection. Let's see, anything in this side? All right, nothing in here either. So this is just for protection on the device. All right, so this is paper, that's trash. Got all that out of the way. Here we go, instructions. What we normally get, don't really use them. USB type C to C cable in the box and a USB to USB type C. That's all that's in this box. So got plenty of these laying around. Got plenty of instructions laying around. What I don't see is a SIM tool. So that leads me to believe that there may not be a SIM tray on this. Oh, there's a SIM tray. So there's a SIM tray, but I don't see a SIM tool unless I just missed it. There it is, right there. SIM tool is on back of instructions. So got plenty of these laying around. We really don't need it. So we will just drop it back in the box. Put all this stuff back in and all this, well, we'll come back when we got cleaned up. All right, so this is it. This is the Google Pixel Fold. It has a little bit of weight to it, so you know we gotta check it out. So we got the scale here and zero yourself out. 9.9 ounces. There we go. All right, let's take this off. And we will put this on here, which is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it's 10.2 ounces. And it does have a case on it from Pataka. So let's just take all the casing off. So we got 9.9, and it does have a screen protector on it. So no screen protector over here. 9.7. So 9.7 and 9.9 ounces, roughly the same weight on these two devices. Now this is not gonna be a comparison or anything, that is coming later. So we'll just sit that to the side. But for now, we're just gonna talk about this device and what I think about how it looks. I'm not gonna be turning it on in this video. I do have future videos for that. But just taking a quick look at it. The camera is nice and pronounced on the back. Kind of looks like one of those little Among Us characters. You do have speakers at the top. You get a SIM tray along the bottom. You got speakers at the bottom, USB type C port along the bottom as well. Fingerprint scanner over here, as well as your volume rockers, your screen nice and big on the front, and your mic's up top. Everything beautiful on the inside. But I do want to see how this bad boy starts up and how it looks, and it's quick to start up, very snappy. I like that a lot. Got that G logo, and welcome to your Pixel. So this is my first impression of this device. Feels good in the hand. Looks really nice and sleek in this black color. You do get the G logo back there, and that is pretty much all we are going to talk about right now. I wanted to get it open, and does tapping on the screen do anything? If I push here, pulls up, welcome to your Pixel. We're gonna get started. We're not gonna do an eSIM. I'm gonna put a SIM in here, connecting to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go through all this. We are going to come back with a full review. I got cases, I got accessories, and we're going to be talking about if this is going to be the foldable for you, and even if this is going to be the foldable for the year. So stay tuned. We got more Google Pixel Fold goodness coming. And until next time, average tech guy out. Let me get this thing set up. Peace.